I picked up this little church at a yard sale for $3. The roof was cracking and falling apart, but other than that, it was in pretty good shape. My first instinct was to tear the entire roof off and start over. However, I'm going to see how much of this roof I can salvage. I'm going to make a bit of a mess here. I think this will do. I mixed paint with Elmer's glue. I'm going to seal the rest of this before it crumbles away. Hopefully this works out. I don't really want to spend 2 hours retiling this roof. After this dries, I'm going to apply some darker grays. I want to get these dark tones deep into the crevices. And then I'm going to apply a quick dry brush and bring out all the highlights. Not bad. I think it'll pass. I'm going to paint this entire structure with a dark gray. I'm covering this with popsicle sticks, and I don't want any white to peek through the cracks. I'm not trying to be careful here. This is all going to be covered. I'm going to be cutting these popsicle sticks at random sizes. I want there to be lots of gaps between the boards. I want the boards to look like they've broken away here and there. I'm just cutting these as I go. It took me a little over an hour to cover this entire thing. And I decided to use coffee stirs for the corner flashing. And I added some to the steeple as well. Now I'm going to stain the wood with the same grayish color. I don't know what color this is. I just mixed browns, grays, and blacks together until I came up with something that was completely dreary. And now that the stain has dried and faded a bit, I'm going in with some black into the dark areas. It's all looking pretty bad at this point. Sometimes things get worse before they get better. And now I'm going over it with some lighter grays. I'm bringing some life back into the windowsills, but not too much. I'm applying a little white with a very dry brush. A little paint goes a long way here. I'm careful not to overdo it here at this step. I'm using a brush with coarse, wiry bristles. I think this will help bring out the wood textures in the popsicle sticks. And I highlighted some areas more than others. I feel it needs a door, but I don't want to lose the effect of the light shining through the entrance. So I whittled a little door out of popsicle sticks, adding a hint of mystery.